I love this house because this is a very iconic house in America, the American Foursquare. So I'm excited to be working on something a little bit different.
When I found this house, I was so excited. It has all the old features and the detail of a 1910 Foursquare, and I just fell in love with it.
I think it's pretty straightforward. I think we give this house some color, freshen it up.
That'd be amazing.
Let's go inside. I love these matching newel posts and the balustrades going up. What are some ideas you want this space to be?
Well, the stairs have definitely got wear and tear with the dogs. Banisters, some of those have broken off.
Yeah, we could probably take these to a wood turner and we can get exactly the matching ones and replace the ones that are missing.
Be awesome.
So let's go check out your dining room. I love these ceilings and all the woodwork. I knew I smelled cupcakes.
Yep, your favorite.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to eat one of those later.
Good.
Katrina loves to bake. She makes the most gorgeous cupcakes that are to die for. But her kitchen just isn't set up for all that baking she loves to do. I know you spend a lot of time in the kitchen. It's the heart of your home. What exactly are you picturing with this whole space?
Right now, it's almost a galley kitchen, and I do so much with the baking and the cooking, and it's very compact.
But I think if we take out this section of the wall, that's gonna give you some connectivity into the dining room.
Definitely. I love my sink.
I love your sink too. This is something, you don't find sinks like this anymore. I love the built-in drain boards and it's cool. So definitely saving this sink.
I would love to save that sink.
And then you have all this space over here. I just picture this becoming all your space to do all your baking. In fact, there's a lot we can do to make this kitchen more workable for you. We can take down the wall into the dining room to make room for a big island and all new cabinets. Then on this side of your kitchen, we can actually wall it off so you can have your own baking shop in there with plenty of counter space to work with. I think we can even get a second oven into the bake shop.
Right.
Or the baking
that
area.
would be good.
We are here in your daughter's bedroom. You have 2 kids, but since one has moved out and the other is on their way soon, you want this space as a main bedroom. Your son's bedroom is right through this door. So my plan is to make this your owner's bathroom.
Ooh, that sounds nice.
We give you a shower. We'll get you your tub over there in the corner. But then this is my other thought. You have all this space out here.
Yes.
I'm thinking we take this wall and expand all this space and make this a walk-in closet for you. Outside, we're gonna clean up your landscaping and give you a fresh coat of paint. Inside, a huge change will happen in the kitchen. We'll remove this wall to make room for a huge island. We'll also have room to give you a special place just for your baking. We'll reconfigure this back area to give you a drop zone and a half bath. Then upstairs, we'll take one of your kids' old rooms so that we can give you a luxurious main suite.
Sounds good.
It's a lot of pricey work. Adding a new bathroom means all new plumbing. Removing that back stairwell to give you the closet you need won't be easy. And we're talking about 2 new ovens in your kitchen, and all of that adds up. I estimate we'll probably be here 12 to 16 weeks.
Okay.
And the price for all this renovation is gonna be $180,000. It's a tough pill to swallow.
Yeah, it's a lot. You know, I've been saving for a while, and I think to have something special of my own, it seems a little selfish in some ways, but also I think I need it. I trust you, and I'd love to see it last another 100+ years.
Yeah.
With whoever else takes it after me. So that's important.
I think we cheers with some cupcakes.
Oh my gosh, for sure.
To changes and new beginnings.
Yay! Cheers. Wow, that's gonna look awesome. We are getting dirty today.
The big task at Katrina's is in the kitchen because for her to have the baker's kitchen of her dream, we have to take down the wall into the dining room. It's all going except the farm sink. She loves it, and we're gonna put it back in her new kitchen. What are you up to?
I am trying to figure out how high I want the backsplash to be. So for Katrina's bathroom, we took an entire bedroom so we could give her a spa-like experience. To make it feel really luxurious, I wanted to have an entire slab of quartz along the whole back wall. 111.
And this is gonna fit up the stairs?
Like, I don't want a seam. So I was figuring we could kind of try and look at that today and figure that out so we're prepared. We have 111 inches of length of one big piece of stone, and we're not sure if we can get it upstairs. So we're making a mock-up. We're gonna tape it together, and we're gonna try and get it up the stairs.
Let's pretend it's real granite. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh,
I think
so
I've
heavy.
just busted a spleen.
Oh my gosh.
Pivot. Pivot, come on. Okay, now you gotta pivot over this way. Ready? Pivot.
Oh.
Pivot, don't break it.
Jeez.
Okay, pivot more. Keep pushing. Keep coming.
Okay, if this is 600 pounds, this isn't gonna happen.
Yeah, I feel bad for the guys that have to carry this thing up the stairs. That's, right now, is my only concern.
Yeah, they're gonna hate us. Oh, yeah. This is gonna work. Yes! I don't know if they, the people who have carried it, will feel that it's worth it, but she'll see that unified backsplash, and she wants it to look not fancier, but just like classier, and it will, oh, it's gonna be so good.
So we're gonna start with the much more manageable counters in the kitchen. Then we could put Katrina's original farmhouse apron sink back in. But that's the easy part of countertop day. That piece of stone weighs hundreds of pounds, and these guys are just muscling it up those stairs, twisting and turning. I was like, there's no way. But they did it, and it's gonna make this bathroom that much more luxurious for Katrina.
Okay, here we go. Excited, nervous, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi. Welcome home. I'm still processing. Is this my house? Oh my gosh. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I honestly was not expecting that. Everything looks so clean and white and beautiful and blue. I love the stairs. How happy. Wow. Oh my God! Oh my gosh, I really can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. It's amazing, the wallpaper.
We wanted to define the room, so adding the wallpaper
Right.
grounded this space and connected it to the kitchen.
Absolutely. Well, I was nervous about wallpaper because when I moved in, every inch of this house was wallpapered. But this is beautiful.
What do you think of the kitchen? Go take a look.
Amazing. Oh. This is awesome, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Look at this stove and the hood. Oh, wow. And look at all this counter space. It's gonna be amazing to do my cupcakes. It's the perfect height. It's so beautiful. Thank you guys. This is amazing.
This kitchen just kind of felt like a galley kitchen.
Yeah.
So we took down the wall. The floor was tile. We gave you a brand new wood flooring. Well, I also love that we were able to save your sink and reincorporate it back into the space. I think it fits perfectly, and they don't make these like they used to.
I love it. I was not expecting this. Wow. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, I don't want to cry. This looks like a little cafe bakery. The oven. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can't even. Wow, I love the floor. Oh my gosh, the tub's amazing. I love everything. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm so excited. This is my dream tub.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. I can't believe we fit a soaking tub in this space in an old house.
Yes, and a walk-in shower.
And a walk-in closet.
How special do I feel? Oh my gosh.